express 0.5 in the form of PQ. That is, we need to convert 0.5 into fraction. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. Now this is the P by Q form or fractional form. So now we'll reduce this fraction. So how to do that? We need to divide numerator denominator by the common factor. So this 5 is divisible by 5, this 10 is divisible by 5. If you divide this 5 by 5, you'll get 1. If you divide this 10 by 5, you'll get 2. Basically, you are getting 1 over 2. 1 times 1 equal to 1 and 1 times 2 equal to 2. So 1 is the factor of 1 and 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. The common factor is 1. If you divide this 1 by 1, you will get the same number. If you divide this 2 by 1, you will get the same number. So we can say that this is the lowest form or reduced form or simplest form.